Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to recover deleted contacts on your iPhone. So if you have recently deleted a contact from your iPhone and you want to see all of your contacts which you have deleted on your iPhone again, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply recover all of your contacts. So for this, what you have, there are many methods available. So I will tell you one by one. So the first method is that you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to click on iCloud here, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the iCloud backup, and you have also turned on the backup toggle for the contacts, and after that you can simply recover all of your deleted contacts which you have deleted from iPhone, and after that you can simply merge them one by one if you miss any contacts on your iPhone. So in this way you can simply recover your contacts from iCloud. And the next method is that you have to simply go to Safari, and after that you have to simply search for iCloud.com, and you have to simply sign in your Apple ID, and after signing in your Apple ID you can simply see all of your deleted contacts which you have recovered. So the third method is as that what you have to do, you have to simply turn on your iCloud backup, and after that you have to simply back up all of your iPhone data, and after that you can also sign out your Apple ID and delete all of your contacts, and if you again sign in your Apple ID you can simply back up all of your contacts on your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.